Good morning to everyone. So this is the sum we will do in front of your screen. Ajay and Vijay are partners who share profits and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 3 in a business. So there are partners Ajay and Vijay whose profit sharing ratio is 2 is to 3, and in the similar type of business, Kailash and Manish are partners who share profits and losses equally. So there is two business A and V partnership and K and M partnership. So A and V partners are Ajay and Vijay. Their profit sharing is 2 is to 3, and a similar type of business there Kailash and Manish are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is equal. It is agreed that both firms have to amalgamate into one. So AV and KM, ANV and KNM have decided, two businesses have decided to amalgamate into one from 1st April 2014. On 31st March 2014, the financial position of both the firms is as under. Balance sheet is given for 31st March 2014. Capital Ajay Vijay, it is 1,04,000 and 91,000. Kailash Manish, it is 72,800 and 65,000. General reserve is there in both the firms, 26,000 and 2,800. Creditors, bills payable, there is loan from SBI, and in the asset side, there is goodwill, machinery, furniture, motor cars, stock, debtors, bill receivable, and cash and bank balance. The firms are amalgamated on the following terms. Creditor of both the firms are to be taken at a discount of 10%. So creditor of both the firms have to be taken at a discount of 10%. So we will minus 10% and we will take the creditors in the purchase consideration, because first step in amalgamation is to calculate purchase consideration, in which we take all the assets that are taken over by the new firm and all the liabilities that are taken over by new firm. Asset minus liability, we get the PC, purchase consideration. Machinery is subject to 5% depreciation of both the firms. So machinery, we have to calculate 5% depreciation for both the firms. Motor car is to be appreciated by 10%. So when we calculate motor car, we have to 10% appreciate the value, means we'll have to increase the value by 10% for both of the firms. Then furniture of both the firms is not taken over by new firm. Furniture will not come in the PC because it is not taken over by the new firm. Getting the point? Furniture is not taken over by new firm. So both the firms, it will not appear in the purchase consideration. Stock is to be appreciated. Stock also has to be appreciated by 20% of both the firms. So stock also we will appreciate. And then we have goodwill of A and V to be valued at 62,400, whereas of K and M is 39,000. So we got the new value of goodwill. Goodwill new value is given 62,400 and 39,000. Then they are saying this is the new point which we have to consider in this question. The capital of the new firm is fixed at 9,36,000. Normally what we do, जब हम न्यू फर्म का बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर करते हैं, सो ओल्ड फर्म का जो न्यू ओल्ड बुक्स में जो न्यू फर्म अकाउंट में जो इंडिविजुअल पार्टनर्स का बैलेंसिंग फिगर आता है, व्हाट वी डू व्हेन एवर वी प्रिपेयर बैलेंस शीट, सो वो बैलेंस शीट में जो कैपिटल, न्यू बैलेंस शीट आफ्टर अमालगमेशन, see, just remember what we used to do in the previous sums. We used to prepare न्यू बैलेंस शीट आफ्टर अमालगमेशन. तो उसका जो कैपिटल रहता है वो हम क्या करते हैं, वो फर्म का जो कैपिटल है, हम ओल्ड बुक्स में जो न्यू फर्म अकाउंट प्रिपेयर किया है उसका जो इंडिविजुअल पार्टनर्स का हमें बैलेंसिंग फिगर्स मिल रहा है इन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, दैट वी take as capital. But in this sum, the capital of the new firm is given 9,36,000. So we know what will be the capital. So here in this sum, they have given the capital value. They have given the value of capital, that what will be the capital of new firm. It is fixed at rupees 9,36,000 and to be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. Any adjustment to be made in cash. So this I will explain you that 9,36,000 को कैसे डिवाइड करें among partners. So capital has to be brought by partners, but the capital is, total capital is 9,36,000. So they say this 9,36,000 you have to adjust according to the new profit sharing ratio of the partners, and any adjustment, if anyone has extra, has more cash in the business than their share of new capital, that has to be adjusted with by cash. तो या तो हम ये, अगर किसी ने जितना न्यू, अगर न्यू फर्म का जो कैपिटल है वो सपोज एक पार्टनर का फॉर एग्जांपल 1 लाख है और उसका पहले से 1,20,000 बिजनेस में है, तो 20,000 उसको पे बैक करेंगे. या फिर अगर कोई पार्टनर का कैपिटल आ रहा है 1 लाख, बट उसका पहले से सिर्फ 90,000 बिजनेस में है, तो न्यू कैपिटल इज 1 लाख, but he has only 90,000 remaining in the business. So जो extra 10,000 है, he will get from his home. So if he has contributed extra, then his new capital, extra amount will be given back. उसको दे देंगे वापस. लेकिन if he has contributed lesser amount than the new capital, the excess amount he has to get from his home. So this will be the new thing which we will do in this sum. The new profit sharing ratio is also given 3, 2, 3, 2. So 3 is to 2 is to 3 is to 2. 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10 are the new profit sharing ratio. 10 कैसे मिला? If we add 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, we get 10. So ratio है 3 is to 2 is to 3 is to 2. But when we express in fraction, हम 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 करते हैं, हमें 10 मिलता है. So this ratio is already given. 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. You are required to close the books of both the firm and draw the balance sheet after amalgamation. So this is our, what we have to do. We have to first close the books, ledger accounts in the old firm and then new balance sheet. So every sum starts with PC. Every sum in amalgamation starts with purchase consideration. So all assets to be take assets, all assets that are taken over by new firm in revise, that is new or book value. So the first, what first asset we have? Let us check. फर्स्ट एसेट गुडविल है, गुडविल का न्यू वैल्यू दिया है. So we will take the new value of goodwill, which is how much? 62,400, and K and M it is 39,000. Take the total, how much you are getting? Take the total 62,400 plus 39,000. We are getting, are both of them, we are getting 1,01,400. Next one, after goodwill, which is the next machinery, and machinery is subject to 5% depreciation. So what we will do, we will calculate the depreciation. Machinery 5% depreciation निकालना है. What is the value of machinery? 1,40,400 का 5% depreciation, उसका 5% is 7,020. So 1,40,400 में 7,020 minus करो. What you will get? We will get 1,33,380. And what is the another one? Another form, it is 1,09,200. इसका भी 5% is 5,460. So 5,000 depreciation of 1,09,200 is 5,460. So 1,09,200 से 5,460 depreciation we will minus, then we will get 1,03,740. So add both of them, how much you are getting? 1,33,380 plus 1,03,740. We get 2,37,120. After machinery is furniture. But about furniture, it is said that furniture will not be taken over by the new firm. If furniture is not taken over, it will not come in the PC. But PC में हम वही सब assets लेते हैं that is taken over by new firm. If furniture is not taken over, it will not come. Then we have motor car, which has to be appreciated by 10%. So motor car 1,87,200 का 10% is 18,720. So वो add करके लिखना है. So let us now write motor car is how much? Motor car is 1,87,200. उस पे 10% add करके how much we get? 2,05,920. Same way, 1,24,800 में भी 10% add करना है because there is a appreciation. So 1,24,800 का 10% is 12,480. So वो add करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा हमें? ऐड करेंगे 1,24,800 में 12,480. We will get 137,280. So add both of them, 2,05,920 plus 137,280. We get 3,43,200. Then after this we have stock to be appreciated by 20%. Stock का क्या है? Appreciation है 20%. So value will increase by 20%. So 88,660 into 20%, we get 17,732. जब add करेंगे, how much value we will get? Appreciation 88,660 plus 17,732, we get 1,06,392. The same way 76,700 into 20%, we get 15,340. So 15,340 plus 76,700, we get 92,040. So ये दोनों को अभी we have to add. So how much total we get? 9240 plus 1,06,392. We are getting 1,98,432. So next what is there after stock? स्टॉक के बाद डेटर्स का new value is not given, and they have also not told that they are not taking over the debtor and bill receivable. तो कुछ भी नहीं बोला है, तो इसका सबका old value ही लेंगे. So when revised value, new value is not given, we take the balance sheet value. So we will take the balance sheet value. So how much is balance sheet value? One by one, we will copy same way दूसरे फर्म का, because new value is not given and they have also not told that they are not taking over, means वो लोग लेके जा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं बोला गया है कि नहीं लेके जा रहे, तो ये भी नया फर्म लेके जा रहा है, लेकिन कौन से वैल्यू में? ओल्ड वैल्यू में भी ये सबको ऐड करके बता हाउ मच टोटल इज कमिंग. तो 1,01,20,83,460 is coming to 1,85,380. Same way 3940 plus 28,080, this is coming to 5920, and 13,000 plus 10,920 is coming to 23,920. So now here we have taken all the assets. So total of assets we want A, इससे लेस करेंगे all B1, all external liabilities taken over by new firm in revised or book value. So what external liability we have? These are capital, internal liability, general reserve is also savings, internal. So these three external liabilities we have, which we'll have to take here. So इसको कॉपी कर दिया. So copied all of them. Now creditors, they have told to take a discount of 10%. Creditor discount of 10%. So 1,02,700. पहले if you want we will copy all of them and फिर बाद में 10% discount कर देंगे. बाकी का न्यू, बाकी liabilities they have not given the new value, means we'll have to take the old value. But creditors, they have told that it is taken over at 10% discount. So 10% माइनस करना पड़ेगा. क्रेडिटर डिस्काउंट दे रहे 10% का. So 1,02,500 का 10% कितना है? 1,02,700 का 10% इज 10,270, तो वो माइनस कर दो 1,02,700 से, बिकॉज डिस्काउंट इज गिवन बाय द क्रेडिटर्स। 10% कम पैसा देना है क्रेडिटर्स को, तो इवन इधर भी व्हाट वाज द अमाउंट? 74,100 का 10% इज 7,410, तो वो भी माइनस करना है। सो हाउ मच वी गेट? 66,690। तो यहाँ पे भी सब लाइबिलिटी को ऐड करना है। हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग? 92,430 plus 66,690, we are getting 159,120, 5,700 plus 35,100, we get 85,800. Same way 2,47,000 plus 2,08,000, we get 4,55,000. Now again we want total of liabilities also. Then we get purchase consideration when we do A minus B. So पहले तो we want total, asset का total कितना है, that we want. Asset का total is coming to 6,53,952, and यहाँ पे it is 4,94,520. So when we add both, 6,53,952 plus 4,94,520, we get the total here 11,48,472. Same way here also, take the total 3,90,130, 3,09,790. So when we add both of them, 390,130 plus 309,790, we get 6,99,920. Now A minus B karo. How much PC you get? 2,63,822 and 1,84,730. If you want, you can take the total and tell me how much it is coming, because this total is not that useful. We will not use this total of PC anywhere. So 4,48,552. So with this PC we have got A minus B किया, total of asset में से total of liability किया, तो PC मिल गया. Now we come to the old books, realization account, partners capital account and new firm account. Name of the new firm is not given here, इसलिए हमने new firm ही लिख दिया. तो पहला स्टेप क्या है? जब हम ओल्ड बुक्स में लिखते हैं तो हम असेट्स को कैंसिल करते हैं. तो डेबिट साइड में वी राइट V2 various assets, and what we do, we copy all the asset that is there. We copy all the asset that is there. तो सब assets इधर लिखेंगे book value में, and the value what we will take will be the book value. So कॉपी किया एक साथ लिख लिया. Once only we have copied all the assets, we have seen the realization account, we take the balance sheet value. So balance sheet value हो गया. फिर बाय वेरियस लाइबिलिटीज, एक्सटर्नल लाइबिलिटीज. सो यहाँ पे लेट अस सी व्हाट एक्सटर्नल लाइबिलिटीज आर देयर. Creditors, bills payable and loan from SBI. So that also we will cancel and we will write here. Then what we will do? Then we will copy their amounts. No, we can't do this at once. We have to do individually. So individually copy कर लिया. Same way here also we will have to copy. Balance sheet value लेना है. So we've taken the balance sheet value. Now our next step is to record the PC. PC means new firm को ये पैसा बाद में मिलेगा, इनकम आएगा. So हम लिखेंगे बाय क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम एंड गेन. क्रेडिट साइड में PC का लिखेंगे बाय न्यू फर्म PC ड्यू and the amount of PC is how much? 263,822. 184,730 PC we got from here. अब क्या new firm account also we are preparing. तो buy new firm will become to or name of the opposite account, realization account, 263,822 and 184,730. So now our next step, what we will do, हम पार्टनर्स का बैलेंस ट्रांसफर करते हैं. बाय बैलेंस, पार्टनर्स इज अ लाइबिलिटी, क्रेडिट बैलेंस. तो क्रेडिट साइड में वी विल ट्रांसफर द बैलेंस 1,04,91,000. So we'll write here 1,04,091,000. Then 70,865,000. So I will write here 70,865,000. So this is done. This is done. Now we have to divide the general reserve. General reserve also partners को मिलेगा. So we will write here credit side में by general reserve. Liability क्रेडिट साइड में पार्टनर्स का कैपिटल इससे इंक्रीज हो जाएगा बिकॉज दे आर गेटिंग दैट सेविंग्स व्हाट दे हैव सेव्ड दैट आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू द पार्टनर्स. तो डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 26,000 in the ratio of 2:3. तो 26,000 into 2/5 and 3/5 करो. 26,000 को डिवाइड करो 2/5 and 3/5 में. 26,000 रेशो क्या है? रेशो है 2:3. सो 26,000 को 2:3, 2/5, 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2/5 and 3/5 में 26,000 को डिवाइड करो. How much is 26,000 into 2/5? It is 10,400. And how much is 26,000 into 3/5? It is 15,600. Check whether you are getting this answer. Then this 2,800, K&M are equal partners. कैलाश एंड मनीष आर इक्वल पार्टनर्स. सो इसको इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. 20,800 डिवाइड बाई 2 वी विल गेट 10,400. सो दिस इक्वली वी विल राइट 10,400, 10,400. This is also done. Now we will see, is there any asset that is not taken over by the new firm? Is there any asset not taken over by the new firm? Check in the question. Is there any asset not taken over by new firm? If you see here, D point, furniture of both the firms is not taken over by the new firm. So when furniture is not taken over, it will be given to the partners. Partners will take it. So partners कैसे लेके जाएंगे? As per their profit sharing ratio. तो partners capital account and their profit sharing ratio में लेना पड़ेगा अनिल. It is what? Anil, sorry, it is Ajay and Vijay. I'm sorry. It is Ajay and Vijay. And that ratio क्या है? 2:3. So 28,080. What is the amount of furniture? 28,080 into 2 divided by 5 and 28,080 into 3 divided by 5. So ये ratio में they will take. So how much it is coming? It is coming 14,976 and 1 minute, what it is coming? What is the ratio? Ratio is 2:3. So let us divide it. How much we are getting? 28,080 into 2 divided by 5. We are getting 11,232 and 28,080 into 3 divided by 5, we are getting 16,848. Correct? Next one, even here, these partners also will take the furniture because new firm has not taken the furniture. So it is, what is their name? Kailash and Manish. So here Kailash and Manish. How much is their furniture? 21,840 divide by 2 because they are equal partners. So 1 into 1 upon 2. 1:1 equal partners. So equal partners है तो कितना मिल रहा है डिवाइड करके? How much amount they are getting? It is 10,920. Yes. So now, is there any liability not taken over? Is there any liability not taken over? No, all the liabilities are taken over. All the liabilities are taken over. So what we will do, we will close the realization account. Realization account को close करो. See what you are getting. First 1,02,700, 5,700, 2,47,000, 2,63,822, 11,232 plus 16,848. It is coming to how much? 6 lakh 92,302, 6,92,302, and here it is coming. Add all of them, you will get 523,770, and एक और entry we have to pass by partners. This will be 2 realization 11,232, 16848, 10,920. So this is done. The same यहाँ पे भी आएगा क्या, देखो. See whether we can see that what is the total of asset side. सब assets को लिया है ना. 621,400, 475, 800. तो जब हम ये सबको ऐड करेंगे तो वो that total we will get. So 692,302 and 523,770 is the highest side. तो इससे जो माइनस करेंगे असेट साइड का टोटल, सो वॉट एवर बैलेंस विल गेट विल बी शिफ्ट गिवन टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. उसको हम प्रॉफिट बोलेंगे. किसको मिलेगा ये प्रॉफिट? अजय, विजय, कैलाश and Manish. They will get this profit. करेक्ट. सो इसको डिवाइड करो. क्या रेशो है इनका? प्रॉफिट पहले तो वी शुड नो द प्रॉफिट ऑल्सो. हाउ मच इज द प्रॉफिट? लेट मी नो. 692,302 and the total of asset is 621,400. See, यहाँ पे हमने सारे असेट को बैलेंस शीट वैल्यू में लिया है, तो ये सबको ऐड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 621,400. इसमें से वी हैव टू माइनस 692,302 में से व्हेन वी माइनस ये इसका टोटल 621,400, वी गेट द प्रॉफिट ऑफ 70,902. 70,902. करेक्ट. और यहाँ पे what total you will get? What is the total of assets? काउंट करेंगे या यहाँ से देख लेंगे तो you will get the same amount, 475,800. और यहाँ का टोटल कितना है? 523,770. So what profit we get? 47,970. Are you getting this only? 47,970. अब इसको डिवाइड करना है. वी हैव टू डिवाइड. यहाँ पे रेशो है 2/5. इधर रेशो है 3/5. यहाँ पे इक्वल पार्टनर्स है. 1/2. half equal partner, half they will get. Correct. So divide करो उसको. How much you are getting? 70,902 into 2 divided by 5. We are getting how much? 28,361 and 70,902 into 3 divided by 5. We are getting 43,741. Is it correct? Here equal partners 47,970 divide by 2. So we get 23,985. 23,985. Is it correct? See, these are the profits. सो इसका दूसरा इफेक्ट पास करेंगे. Two partners will become, so two partners will become by realization. $28,361, 43,741, and here we will get 23,985, 23,985. Now add all of this. अच्छा, विजय का कितना है? It is coming 7902 into 3 divide 5. I am sorry, it is coming to 42,541. 42,541. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so now we will take the total. Let us take the total, how much it is coming. 142, 761, 149, 141. Here how much it is coming? 1,07,185. Here it is coming 99,385. Copy करके here. Now whatever we will get will be going to balancing figure to new form balancing figure. Balance करो what you are getting. 142,761 minus 11,232. We are getting 131,529. Here 49,141 minus 16,848. We are getting how much? 132,293. Same way इधर 107,185 minus 10920. We are getting 96,265. Here 99,385 minus 10,920. We are getting 88,465. Is it correct? Now we will go to the opposite side by partners capital account. Who are the partners? Ajay, Vijay, Kailash, and Manish. How much we have got? 131,529, 132293, and here 96,265, 88,465. See whether this is tallying. 263,822, 184,730. So check. 131,529 plus 132,293. We are getting 263,822. Here also we should get 184,730 by adding 96, 265 plus 88, 465. We are getting 184,730. With this, our new firm is tallying. But now one extra account we will have to prepare in the new books. In the books of the new firm, हमें न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. ये क्यों? बिकॉज न्यू कैपिटल इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज न्यू इन दिस क्वेश्चन. ये पॉइंट हमने पिछले कोई भी सम्स में नहीं किया था. ये हमने कोई भी सम में नहीं किया था. सो उसके हिसाब से नाउ वी विल हैव टू प्रिपेयर इन दिस. हम डायरेक्टली बैलेंस शीट नहीं बना सकते बिकॉज वी हैव टू फिक्स द न्यू कैपिटल, न्यू फर्म्स कैपिटल as 9,36,000. So what we will do, we will first हमारा स्टेप रहेगा, पे अटेंशन एवरीवन. कैपिटल मीन्स liability. Liability means it will be which balance? Credit balance. So by balance brought down कितना मिला? 131,529, 132,93, 96, 265, 88, 465. This is the balance जो हमें ओपनिंग बैलेंस इसको मानेंगे. ठीक है. लेकिन क्लोजिंग बैलेंस के लिए ऑलरेडी दे हैव गिवन द न्यू कैपिटल. बैलेंस कैरीड डाउन. हाउ मच इज अवर न्यू कैपिटल गिवन? 9,36,000. 3:2, 3:2 ऐसे है रेशो. 936. सो हम वर्किंग नोट में जाएंगे और हम यहाँ पे अजय, विजय, कैलाश और मनीष का न्यू कैपिटल निकालेंगे. 936,000 into 3 डिवाइड बाई 10 मीन्स ये कैपिटल को हम न्यू रेशो के हिसाब से डिवाइड करेंगे. ये कैपिटल को हम न्यू रेशो के हिसाब से. व्हाट इज द न्यू रेशो? दे हैव टोल्ड इन द क्वेश्चन दैट ऑल द पार्टनर्स विल गेट देयर न्यू कैपिटल एज पर देयर न्यू रेशो. न्यू रेशो ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया है इन द लास्ट लाइन. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो, अजय 3/10, विजय 2/10, कैलाश 3/10 and Manish 2/10 and the capital is this much. तो इसके हिसाब से we will divide. See what you are getting. Divide करो what you are getting. कितना you are getting? 280,800. Are you getting this? 187,200, 280,800 and 187,200. So यहाँ पे we will write 280,800, 187,200, 280,800, 187,200. Now what we will do, सबने देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान में देखो, सबका कैपिटल न्यू कैपिटल से कम है. All the partners have contributed lesser amount than the new capital. तो सब लोग क्या करेंगे? घर से पैसा लेके आएंगे. हम देख रहे हैं that which side is heavy. We can see that the credit side is heavy. सब जगह पे credit side heavy है. मीन्स सब पार्टनर्स का क्या है? ऑल द पार्टनर्स, अभी उनका कैपिटल जो है पहले से ज़्यादा रहने वाला है. All the partners, you can see their capital is going to be more than the old capital. कंपेयर करो, हर सिचुएशन में ओल्ड कैपिटल अमाउंट कम है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, बाई कैश बैंक। ये जो है एवरी पार्टनर डिफरेंस अमाउंट घर से लेके आएगा, एवरी पार्टनर डिफरेंस अमाउंट घर से लेके आएगा। 280 800 minus 131 529, it is coming 149 271। सेकेंड पार्टनर का 187 200 माइनस 132 293 54 907 घर से लेके आएगा। एंड दिस पार्टनर 280 800 minus 96 265 184 535 घर से लेके आएगा। एंड लास्ट पार्टनर 187 200 minus 88 465 98 735 balancing figure, this much cash all the partners will get from their home। तो ये हमें ऐड करके हमारा सब पार्टनर घर से लाएंगे, मीन्स कैश बिजनेस में आएगा एंड बिजनेस में कैश विल इंक्रीज, तो दैट वी विल शो। एंड नाउ अवर लास्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर करना। तो उसमें पार्टनर्स कैपिटल तो मिल चुका है, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल कितना है, अजय का पार्टनर्स कैपिटल है, सॉरी अजय, विजय, कैलाश एंड मनीष, इनका कैपिटल कितना है 280 800 187 200 280 800 187 200। इसके अलावा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट विल हैपन कि इनको और भी असेट्स बिजनेस में आया है, तो दैट वी विल गेट व्हेन वी विल टेक द टोटल ऑफ पीसी। इसमें पीसी का टोटल कॉलम and then we will go to the liability। in the PC जो liability है, this also new firm has got, new firm ये लेके आया है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, कैपिटल के नीचे हम इसको कॉपी कर लेंगे। so what is the total amount, PC में टोटल अमाउंट देखेंगे, we will copy and we will paste। now one more step, last step before taking the total, what we will do, ये जो कैश बैंक बैलेंस है इसमें एवरी पार्टनर 23,920 प्लस एवरी पार्टनर हैज गॉट मनी 149,271 प्लस 54,907 प्लस 184,535 प्लस 98,735, ये सबको ऐड करेंगे। ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम 23,920 plus 149,271 plus 54,907 plus 184,535 plus 98,735. How much is it coming? It is coming to 5,11,368 will be the amount of cash, will be the amount of cash। now what we will do, we will just take the total of the balance sheet 280 800, total क्या है 9,36,000 कैपिटल्स का टोटल है। फिर 159 120 plus 85 800 plus 4,55,000, which is coming to the total of 16,35,920. Here also check whether we are getting 16,35,920. Check whether this is coming. Then when this is coming, we can say that our balance sheet has tallied, and with this sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.